trying out this AI email generator by Hoppy. Hey everyone, it's Jewel Tolentino here from Esatino Media, and on this channel we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so today I am in this AI email generator software called Hoppy, and I'm going to be trying it out for the very first time. And if you don't know what it is, basically it's an AI software that writes emails for you. They also do other things as well. You can see here they've got an images thing. You can also use this to write social media posts. And I'm here in the Hoppy dashboard right now. And like I just mentioned, I'm trying this out for the very first time right now on this video. In the main dashboard, they've got like all these kind of preset templates that you can click on. So there's a newsletter creator, a sequence creator, social media post, and there's a little blurb underneath each one. Write an engaging post for Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or Twitter. This one right here, content improver. Rewrite any content to make it more interesting, creative, and engaging. This one's a social media post ideas. So if you need help with that, it's going to help you brainstorm some sizzling new content ideas. And you can see here as I scroll through, they have a bunch of these, preset AI templates here that you can test out. So that's going to be really useful because, in my opinion, it's going to be more streamlined, right? Because otherwise, if you go to something like a ChatGPT, which can be extremely helpful, but if you don't know what to ask ChatGPT, it's not going to give you what you want. Whereas this is already kind of pre-designed to give you a hook, to give you a headline. All right, so I'm going to use this to write an email now, and let's do an educational email. Educate your customers about your product, service, or an industry topic. So I have a course that I want to write an email, an educational email. So let's test this out. So I'm going to click on educational email. Okay, so let's just go through and fill out all the stuff. So brand, product, or service. So the educational email that I want to do is on this product right here. It's our course called The Profitable Channel. So I'm going to input that. Next here, target persona. So they give an example of small business owner who works from home. So for this, I'm going to put in business owner who wants to start a YouTube channel because that's what our course is for. It's for people who are entrepreneurs, business people who know the value of starting a YouTube channel. Okay, so I wrote entrepreneur who wants to start a YouTube channel. Next, what do you want to cover? So they put something like email topic. What do you want to teach readers or help them accomplish? And then outline of key info, facts to expand on, and then call to action. So I'm just going to, I'll remove that stuff later, but let me just use it as a guide here. All right, what do we want to teach the readers or help them accomplish? I think we've got that right here on our sales page. I'm just going to grab this and literally see what it outputs. Now, I'm not sure if I'm supposed to be putting it like this, but I'm just going to do whatever and see what happens. And I'll copy this part, expand on, and then I'll head back to the page here. Okay, so for the bullet points here, I basically just went on to our sales page and then grabbed the 4 stages here. Okay, so for the call to action, I put enroll in the Profitable Channel program today. Select a tone. You can see that they've got a bunch listed here, so you can try out all different types of tones. And then format. Let's go with simple. All right, so I'm going to click create. Okay, let's check out the email here. I'm by no means an email copywriter expert or anything like that, so a tool like this would actually be quite helpful for me. All right, so we've got the title here, turn your YouTube passion into profit with the Profitable Channel program. Improve client conversion and earn steady income from YouTube. Okay, so it says, hello there. If you've been looking to turn your entrepreneurial spirit into a thriving YouTube channel, you're in the right place. The Profitable Channel program is designed to turn your passion for YouTube into a stable source of income, even with a small following. And it goes right into the stages that I put in. Create content that sells, how to stay consistent, rank your videos for views, set up income streams. So overall, I'd say it's a good start, but you definitely need to add some personality to it. They've even given some bonus subject lines. So let's change the tone of voice and let's go with witty and see what it does. Create. Now the good thing about something like Hoppy Copy here is this would have taken me a while to write. I'm naturally not a writer. I do better on camera, on video, and so writing is definitely not my strong suit. So the fact that this generated an awesome starting point for me, because like I said, this would have taken me a while to write. So this is the second email with it being witty. I like this title right here, Give Your YouTube Journey a Profitable Twist. Enroll now. I'm actually getting some YouTube video ideas from these emails. So definitely a time saver. When you're ready to use it, you can insert the email into the document just by like that. And so this is going to be like the working area. So as you can see here, I'm just touching the surface of what Hoppy Copy can do. And I'm sure that if I spent more time using it, I could really start to get a feel for the software and, you know, improve on actually using it. And I'm excited to check out the other templates that they've got here. You know, paragraph creator, persuasive bullet points, abandoned cart email. That's something that we actually need to implement. They've even got YouTube video titles. They've also got video scripts for if you're doing YouTube videos, product descriptions, a web page creator. So overall, I think it's a pretty cool AI software. In order for me to fully benefit from this, I would need to spend more time learning how to use it. But I can see how it could really benefit me because I'm not a strong writer in general. So this is going to definitely save me some time and energy. So if you are interested in trying out Hoppy Copy, head down to the description below. We'll have a link for you. You can try it out for free. Test it out for yourself. See if you like it and see if it helps you writing your emails. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.